Hey guys, Grand Coco again, sharing some of my ketofied recipes that help me lose my 100+ pounds. Today we're going to make a chocolate mug cake, ketofied. So let me show you what you're going to need. It's very simple, very, very simple. Okay, so you're going to need some Lakanto or Swerve sweetener of your, I guess the keto sweetener of your choice. Some cocoa powder, some baking powder, 1 egg, some almond flour, and a fat. I'm going to use the mayo. You could use sour cream. You could even use heavy cream. I think that would work as well too. And then you're going to need just a little splash of water. So I have, they look like small little bowls. They're my little salsa cups. I'm going to mix in one and then pour in the other. You can mix and microwave in the same one, but then when stuff gets stuck in the sides, it doesn't, it kind of overcooks on the edges. So I just mix in one, pour in the other. And you're going to also spray this with cooking spray. Okay? So let me show you what you're going to do. All right. So to our little first bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, not 1. 2. Okay, so we're going to do that. 2 tablespoons of almond flour. This is one of the easier recipes that there is for keto cake, and it's really good. It makes 1 serving, so you'll do each individual cakes if you're making more than 1. Okay, I have a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I use this really good brand that I don't know the name of because it's, I threw the bag away, but I get it from Costco, and it's an organic, very clean cocoa powder, no sugar. So you'll add that in, tablespoon. Okay. Tablespoon of cocoa powder. Tablespoon of sweetener of your choice. I'm going to use my Lakanto. So 2 tablespoons, 2, 1, 1. Okay, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which I didn't bring my quarter. We're going to wing this. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg. There you go. And a tablespoon of mayo. Or sour cream, whatever dairy you want. Then you're going to mix this up real well. That's it. And see how thick it is, and then if you need to, you add a teaspoon of water. So let me stir this up real quick and let's see what we need. Okay. See where we're at. I went and got me some water just in case, because a lot of times you'll need a splash. Because really the only liquefied in here is the egg. I mean, the mayo does have fat and it's wet. So let's see. You really should do better than I did and not just sprinkle your baking powder in like I did and guesstimate. I just cook so much that if it doesn't have to be precise, I don't really worry about it. I kind of know my measurements pretty well. It's not going to need water. Okay. So it's like a batter. Yep. So we're going to spray our other bowl. Oh, I'm almost out. Don't worry, I got more. And then we're going to put the mug cake in. And then again, this is going to make 1 single serve cake and 3 net carbs. So you're going to put it in the microwave for about 45 to 50 seconds. And then I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. Look at moist. It is absolutely beautiful. That is the perfection of a cake. So now at this point, you can top it with some keto-friendly chocolate chips. You know what would be good too is to put the keto-friendly chocolate chips in the batter and cook it. You could have added to the batter just some cinnamon and cayenne and made like a Mexican cake, inspired anyway. But at this point, you could add some keto ice cream, keto whipped cream, caramel drizzle. You know, anything that's keto to top your desserts, beautiful. And it's kind of hot right now, but I'm going to cut into it in just a second and show you what it looks like. Look at it. It's so good looking. So Let me show you how moist and delicious it looks. It's still smoking. If you have a sweet tooth, this is your jam. I much prefer salty foods. This is so good. Give it a try. It's really, 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 really good. Moist, delicious, still hot. It would be great with some chocolate chips in it. White chocolate chips. Try it out. You'll love it. Remember, I'm not a big sweets person. That is what's left. 3 net carbs and I ate all but 1 bite. And I'm full. But I am not supposed to be eating it all. I'm supposed to taste it for you and then let somebody else eat it. But no, it was really good. I ate it. I'm not going to lie. Give it a try. 3 net carbs. You'll love it. You're welcome.